is about to take an ice challenge.
Yeah, baby.
Woohoo! And he nominates
Scott Aboy, Lorraine Bakalalova, Alice Samatua, and Bumbuy Lusani, Uncle Kevin, Turangatula, and Uncle Simi.
Alright,
take your goggles off.
Yeah!
you go.
We're at the Snowy Mountains, baby! Woo! Woo! Oh, goodness!
Crack that ice.
Ready?
Go!
Look at my gear.
I need to let go. Let go. Oh, shit.
And that is his wife?